Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting core prerequisites in place so the process won't stall. Make sure your Samsung phone and the cast device share the same Wi-Fi band. Two devices on different bands can't see each other. Open Google Home or Smart View now. Location and Wi-Fi must be on for discovery. Once done, place the cast device near the TV and power it. This reduces dropouts and speeds pairing because signal strength and permissions are the usual blockers. Next, you pair and configure the device so streaming is optimized. If using Google Home, tap the plus icon, select Setup Device, and follow the on-screen code. This verifies you're connecting to the intended hardware. If you prefer Smart View, tap Cast, select the cast target, and grant screen capture permission. This lets apps mirror reliably. Also, adjust display resolution and audio routing in the app because mismatched settings can cause lag or mute. To finish, open a supported app, tap the cast icon, choose your device, and begin playback. This confirms the path is working. You can stop casting from the quick panel or the app, and I recommend testing with YouTube first because it's a lightweight, reliable test. If something goes wrong, reboot the router, phone, and cast device in that order. Check firmware and app updates because outdated software is the most common culprit that breaks casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.